I want to show you a technique that is gonna help you to keep the flowers totally submerged in water and avoid this kind of problem. It doesn't matter how hard you push, they're gonna be coming out over and over and over again, or you're gonna make a mess. It's super easy. I put together the two stems. I'm gonna wrap it up with the waterproof tape, and when it's done, I'm gonna pick one paper clip. I'm gonna open one little leg, and once I have it that way, I'm gonna insert from the bottom in between the two flowers. I'm gonna insert the paper clip, and I'm gonna keep wrapping up the clip, so then that way it's gonna be attached to the flowers. As you can see, in this case, I'm using artificial flowers, but you can use with fresh flowers as well. Then you're gonna put the flowers in the empty vase. I'm using a cylinder vase. Put the flowers, and as you can see, the paper clip, you have to hide on cover the paper clip with the marble. Once you put the marble, the only thing that you have to do is just add the water. So the marble is gonna help you to keep the flowers on the bottom. Easy, right?